Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have some beauty products for a good cleanser and a moisturizer, as well as a hyaluronic acid serum. So included in this one is the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum. We have an Olay eye cream, a L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Filler, Olay Retinol 24, and we have a little cleaner here, some more moisturizers to keep your face all moisturized. Alright, so in this beauty package that I had purchased, I've got a cleanser, a day and night solution, an eye cream, as well as a hyaluronic acid serum. So first off, we have this CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. It is super dry where I live, so my face is always so dry. So I decided to purchase this one, which helps with moisture. So I just turn this to the side. And the actual cleanser itself is really thin, so it's not too thick and bulky. You can see it's like really thin. So we're going to make our way to put some of this on to clean my face. So we're just going to apply it to my whole face. We're going to use a cleansing brush. And then after we finish with a cleansing brush, we're going to go in with a washcloth and wash this off. It is very soft and smooth. It feels soft on your face. You don't got to worry about it clumping up. It does give your face a lot of moisture. So if you're like me and you're in an area that is super dry, you might want to pick this one up. So here is my cleansing brush. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm just going to cleanse my face. Get all the makeup off. All the dirty oils, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it with a washcloth. You can see it's very nice. It is so soft to the touch. The next thing I want to do is I want to add some hyaluronic acid and a moisturizer. So right here is the collagen filler. So you get a nice size bottle by this Olay Retinol 24. And then it comes with another little moisturizer. So here is the Collagen Daily Moisturizer Filler. Smooth wrinkles and restores skin. So here is the L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's got 1.5% of hyaluronic acid. Here is an Olay 7-in-1 eye treatment. So everything that I had purchased is my day and night, my cleanser, my moisturizer, as well as a hyaluronic acid serum. So now I'm going to go and put the hyaluronic acid serum on my face. This is what it looks like. You get a good size bottle. So you're just going to dab in all on your face, on your forehead. Make sure you don't get any and around your eyes. So make sure you do your cheeks, your chin, your forehead, nowhere near your eyes. Just need a couple drops here. Then you want to rub it in. So just rub it in here up at the top. Just use your fingers. Make sure you get every place on your face. Nowhere near your eyes. Maybe your nose, upper lip, your chin. This is great if you're like me and you suffer for severe dry skin. Now we're going to go and put on our eye cream. Just need to put just under your eyes. You don't need a lot. Just a little dab will do ya. It is a small container, but this should last you a pretty long time. So in fact, I got the part off the top of the cover. I just dabbed my finger in there. You can see it's just a little bit. Just put a little bit under your eye and rub that in. I'm going to do on both eyes. Around the creases of your eyes, where you want more moisturizer. Make sure you get it right up under there, not getting any in your eye. It smells lovely. It's really soft. After my first night, I can tell instantly how well this made me feel. It was super moistured. It wasn't so dry under my eyes. So now you're going to wait till that dries. Once that completely dries, you want to go put it in your Retinol 24. You want to do it all over your face. This is also considered your night solution. So this is the Retinol by Olay 24. Just a little dab will do ya. I'm going to put on your forehead, your cheeks, your chin, your nose. Rub that in completely. You can already see that my face is really soft. Just a tiny bit on the forehead. You don't need very much of this stuff. Around the eyebrows, the nose, under the eyes, around your neck a bit. It's got good collagen in here. You should start seeing really good signs after the first 2 weeks, but instantly I can see with this beauty set here is making my skin look flawless, very soft. It is feeling very moisturized. So in this pack, I did get the retinol. Here is the collagen day cream. I got the hydrating facial cleanser, hyaluronic acid. I did get the Olay eye cream, the Rejuve, the transforming cream. And then when you get the retinol 24, you get this other cream. This is the Revitalift, the hyaluronic acid. And with the retinol, you get this other little package. So this basically in the back tells you how to use this. You just add 2 to 3 drops nowhere near your eyes. It's a little nice size. It's got a little dabber inside here. It's a 1.5% hyaluronic acid. And like I said, with the retinol 24, you do get this included. This is a fragrance-free packet of moisturizer. So coming from Mary Kay, I definitely would say if you have purchased the day and night solution as well as the cleanser set, this is the equivalent. Actually, I would say this is a lot better. This is your day solution with collagen. You get a nice size bottle. It's very soft and refreshing. You can put this on twice a day. You can use this as day and night, but I preferably use this on the daytime, where the retinol 24 I actually use at nighttime to get a lot of that more collagen in at the nighttime after I've already used the CeraVe cleanser. So this is everything that I have purchased. My face feels flawless, and over time it's supposed to get better. I would definitely say if you're looking for a beauty regimen at nighttime and your daytime to get all the nice moisture on your face, I would say check these ones out. These are definitely my go-to favorites.